different sort of day today. We're taking the bus on a field trip, going to IKEA to pick up our countertop. After much debate, much investigation, we ended up with one of the IKEA countertops, but it is too big to fit in our little car that we're borrowing or anything else, so we are bringing the bus along with us. We secured all the half-built things and headed out.
Starting route to IKEA.
It was nice to be going somewhere in the bus, even in its half-built state. IKEA was as overwhelming as ever. We went against the flow as usual. We spent some time looking at storage options and headed out to pick up our countertop. Back home, Mike and Dan began to fit it into its new place, while I spent some time trying to make my new curtains. That's about all we accomplished today. See you tomorrow.